Hello and welcome to the Readers Club podcast, episode number 2. Today we have with us Sahil. So, Sahil is an undergrad pursuing engineering from Nirma University. He is in second year, and apart from engineering, he is thoroughly into marketing and entrepreneurship. So, welcome, Sahil. So, first, Sahil, introduce yourself and tell the listeners who you are and what are the things on which you are working right now.
Hello everyone. Actually, I am working on my product, which is Startup List, which is a curated library of tools and resources for startups and entrepreneurs. So, when you want to find any tools regarding any idea generation, marketing, market research, project management, design, and numerous categories, so you can visit my website, select category, and you can find tools and resources you want.
Oh, okay, that's great. So yeah, Sahil, my first question is, so can you walk us through your whole journey of startup list, from ideation till execution?
Yeah, so I was searching for some directories where can I find some tools like idea generation, startup naming, best tools, but I couldn't find one. So I started curating some of the best tools on from Product Hunt and many places, and then I started curating some of the best tools, and then I added all into my Excel sheet, and then I came across some no code tools like Pori.io and Airtable, and then I developed my website.
Okay, so yeah, so how much time did it take to build from starting till end? So
1 month,
okay,
approx 1 month.
so in 1 month you came with this idea and you executed it, so it took you around 30 days to do this. Correct. Okay.
Yeah.
So yeah, can you explain us more about how social media helped you in building your product?
So basically, so when you are building in public, you will show up. You can add values. You can help others. So I started. So I started building in public. So when you build in public, so you can add values to other people, what other people are making, and then when you launch your product, then other people will show up.
Okay. So yeah,
Basically, launching in public means you are telling people that what you are building, so that other people will know from. Let I have started my idea, so I have started telling people that I am started working on an idea, and then today I will do this thing, and after tomorrow I will do this type of thing, and then when you build in public, then it will definitely help people, uh, and when you launch it, then our audience will be ready to support you.
uh, so you also have a very pretty strong network on each and every social media platform. So
Yeah,
yeah,
I joined many communities like no code founders community. In various community I joined approximately 10 communities in Slack, 5 communities in Discord, and I am in various I am also in startup school community. So when I add my link, so I have tell them that I am launching, so they will be ready to support me.
okay, yeah. So networking also helped you in all these processes, yeah. And you also
Yeah.
launch your product on Product Hunt, and that is a yeah.
Yeah.
So can you tell us about what Product Hunt is and how it works?
So, so Product Hunt is a place where people can launch product, so they can get feedback from the users who will be using their product, and any suggestion user want to give on product, like they want this feature on your product, uh, so they can give suggestion, and you can improve your product. And in Product Hunt there is a upvoting system in which if you get more upvotes, then it will be shown to more people. Yeah, and that's how Product Hunt works.
Okay, so yeah, I have one question related to you. So, do really building a community helps you grow your product, or it's just like a part of doing something and giving something back?
No, building a community, it will definitely help, because you are adding value to the others life, so it will definitely help, they will definitely support you.
Okay, sure. Yeah. So, my next question is, can you explain us more about what no code is and what's Airtable and all?
So no code is a set of tool which allows programmers and non-programmers to create website, web app, chatbots without coding. And Airtable is a spreadsheet database hybrid in which user can create a database link table to one another and add records. Like Airtable is like Google Sheet. That's how you add data in Google Sheet, Excel.
Okay. Yeah. So you were a product management fellow at with All VR, right? So yeah.
Yeah.
So so do tell us what you did over there and how it helped you in making a product.
So, so basically, product management fellowship. It is a 4 week program for all the product enthusiasts. In this, they will be taught how to identify any problem and how to execute problem, how to think about product, how to get feedback from other people, which tools you can create MVP, how to create MVP, a wireframing technique. That's all.
Okay, yeah. So when people start their building their product, so what they used to heckle around is their USP, unique selling proposition. So what was your
Yeah.
USP, yeah, of Startup List?
Yeah, so our USP is our tools are different than Startup Stash. Is world's first largest curated library of tools and resources for startups, and we are the second largest. And our tools and categories are different. And when you see our categories, you will see like idea generation, community tools. So you can find which communities to join, and that all the categories they are not in the Startup Stash.
Okay, so suppose if someone is new to the startup, what she will do is she'll just write your website and they'll find everything over there, from starting from idea
Yeah, yeah.
generation
From
till last.
to yeah till last, how to generate revenue, which website you can visit and tell them, like raising capital, or all the tools and resources are available in our website.
Okay, okay, that's great. So yeah, so now you have reached to a certain point. So what's your future planning? So how you will be seeing and how you'll be making your product in coming next month, 6 months?
So basically currently listing is free. So currently 50 listing is free. So when people will list their startup first 50 listing, then I will make it, then I will add a form in which they have to select plans in how much month they want to list their startup in startup list. So basically that's the future plan.
Okay, so companies, those who will be listing on your site will pay you certain amount so that they can
Yeah,
come. Uh,
yeah, they can pay per month or per year. Like we will not provide lifetime listing, but only month wise or year wise. And we will create certain categories like recommended product. So anyone can visit website and select category like recommended product. So those who will be paying, then we will list them into the recommended products.
how you will be recommending? So what you will do? You will be personally using those products, or because of some money you will be
No,
recommending them?
no, no. I will personally use and see if I like their product, then I will see. And also star rating. Am also looking to add star rating, so I can add star, 5 star, 4 star of product.
Okay, so currently you have how many listings on the website right now? Of
Currently 450 plus, 450 plus.
450 plus. Okay. So will you be, as Google uses search engine optimization thing to just pop up things on the top? So will you be using the same thing with the company? So the company which will be paying more will be shown up, showing on the top of the list as like.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. So basically, when you visit our website, then there is a random, some product will be listed there. When you don't select any category, then there are some random products. So I will feature them in the home page. uh, I will feature those products in the home page.
Okay. So yeah, also you're trying to build a community of no code club in Nirma as well.
Yeah,
Yeah. So what's your
yeah.
take on that?
Yeah, so basically, no code community, I have started building this community to help people to learn more about what exactly no code is, what is the benefit of no code, which are the tools and resources I want to give back to the community. So I started it.
Okay. So how you'll be going on with that community? So you'll teach each and everyone to go on with no code thing or
Yeah,
what?
yeah, yeah. I have started them from basic, what exactly is no code, what is the benefit of no code, and then I will tell them each tool, such as like Adalo is a tool, and then Airtable is a tool. So what is the benefit of Airtable, and how you can use them, and I will also paste them some video link so that they can learn how you can use this no code tool like that.
Okay, okay. So coming back to the company, your company thing. So my question is how you're trying to monetize your library on internet.
So basically monetization, it will be only from listing fee and from recommending product.
As in, can you explain a little bit more so that we can understand easily? Yeah.
Basically, listing fee means people have to pay certain amount of money if they want to list their website for a month or like a year,
On your
like
library.
that. That's only is a monetization. Yeah.
Okay. And other than that, other than listing,
Other than listing, like recommendation special product, I can see. So I can feature certain products, like I can give featured tag on their product.
okay, that's great. Yeah. So Dharya, if you have some questions now, you can go on.
Yeah, sure. So, Sahil, like you told about the forming a community of that no code. So, I was a question that if like there are many people who think that if they want to build something, they need code, and like you are the example that you got an idea, you not wait for like
Hmm.
wasting time in like no, if I don't have some like coding knowledge or anything, then I
Yeah, yeah,
won't be able to do this. And so you made it possible with no code. So if there
yeah.
are some people who want to do it, so like how can they get benefit from that this no code community?
So basically, we will taught you some starting from basics. What exactly is no code? Which tool you can use if you have this idea. If you basic that if you want to make a directory website, then you can use these tools. If you want to create a chatbot, then you can use these tools. So we will taught you some from basic to advanced. And the benefit of no code is you don't have to hire any developer, and you can work on your idea easily if you are from non-tech background.
Yeah, that's the reason. Like many people are like just taking one reason that no, I don't know coding, so like I can't execute my idea. That's like no code community can
uh,
really help them.
yeah, yeah.
Okay. So yeah, coming back to so you are from engineering background or you are from tech background and you're just creating something which is out of the box thing. So what's
Hmm.
your take on that?
So I think people should start working on their ideas. You don't have to think like I am not from CSE or from any other background. You should start working on your ideas. There are various resources and people who will be ready to help you if you have any question, if you have any doubt. So basically, think big and don't self reject.
Yeah, that's true. So yeah, so everything is on internet right now, so we can do anything which we want.
Yeah.
Yeah. So yeah, so will you take engineering as your career in the coming years, or will you dump it after 2 years and
No,
then you'll go on this?
actually, I am interested in product management role.
Okay.
So basically, product management it is a intersection of uh, engineering, business role, and design role. So basically, it's starting from how you make a product. So basically, I have developed this product, so I have idea how to develop product, and I have also done PM fellowship.
Yeah, that is. So, Sahil, at what age you went into this whole startup world thing, and then you find that this is the correct path for me to.
So I started in this when I participated in Startup Weekend India COVID edition, and then I came across this. So I pitched my idea, and then I came to know that this is good for me, and then I started. Then I am really passionate about startup world. I mean startup.
Yeah. So, and so few questions more. So, how you use LinkedIn and Twitter in a very productive way? You don't waste your time over there, but you use it in order to, grow your product over there also.
Yeah. So basically, I am sharing my learning, what I learn daily on Twitter and LinkedIn. So I am adding value in other people's life, so they will be get benefited.
Yeah, that is sure. So, just a random question. So, how much is your whole screen time on every social media applications like Facebook plus Instagram plus WhatsApp plus LinkedIn plus Twitter? So, how much time you spend over there?
Two
Uh,
or 3 years daily.
2 or 3 hours daily. Do you spend that time in an organic way, or you just, sometimes you just go on there and just waste, sometimes just scroll it also, scroll it down.
Yeah, yes. So I also scroll and learn from other people what they are posting. Yeah, basically, other people are also adding value in my life.
Yeah.
They are also curating some of the best content from the internet. Yeah, so I am also learning from other people.
Okay, that. So coming, you are learning from other people. So you might have some mentors also when you were building this product, right? So how did you connect to them and how they help you in building your and smoothing your product?
Uh, so basically, I am in various communities on Discord and Slack. So I have tell them that I am building and I need some help. So they started helping me and also give me some recommendation, future recommendation, and they have helped me a lot. So basically, communities will help. So when you want any help, you have to post, you have to just post in communities, like there are various channels and they will definitely help you.
Okay, so as if you do you had any particular mentor or you just post everything on community and get there from? Or you
No,
did you talk
no
to some people?
yeah, basically, uh, no, I don't talk to people, means I get some people from community, only community. I i only post them, like creator of product is a community, a junior VC is a community,
Yeah.
like there are more.
So I have a question that like if for me, if I want to join some community like that you have, like there are like because some community helps and some community don't. Means
Yeah.
so if I want to join some community, how can I find or there are any specification requirement to
So
join some community?
no, so if you want to join a community, you can also visit Startup List and Select Community. So you will be shown all the communities related to startup world, related to product enthusiast. So I have listed them. So basically, Startup List it is for everything you want to find, from
Okay.
tools and resources.
So means there are no like requirement for me. If I want to join, I just like I can join there.
Yeah, yeah. You have to visit their website, and then you have to add your mail, then they will mail you, and you will be easily able to join.
Okay,
You
okay.
can join.
So all the people who are listening and who want to like join some community, you have listed
Yeah,
your community in your site, right?
yeah.
Yeah, so do check that startup list. You will find the community section.
Yes.
Yeah, go listen.
Yeah, okay. So yeah, once to Sahil, just spell your whole complete website now, so it will be easy for them to just surf it. So what's your website? Just spell it out over here.
So startuplist.pori.app.
So startup 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 LYST list dot
lyst.pori.app.
APP. Okay. Yeah, so that's a great website. You
Yeah.
can go over there and you can just check it out. Yeah. So just one last question from my side. So yeah, how you would tell others to know to come and join and be a part of this community apart from general curriculum which everyone's following, the college schedule. So how all these things,
Yeah.
different courses of Y Combinator and other things, and all these other communities helped you more rather than the full scheduled curriculum which all people follows of their colleges.
Yes. Yes. Basically, you have I have surrounded with people, some people smarter than me. So you will definitely learn more from that, from their learnings, from their failures. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, so yeah, that's a great take for us. So so yeah, most of us are, we are confined with our friends and a group of people which are in colleges. But as you tell, there are communities, and from the people are from all over the world, right? So that's a great way to
Yeah.
connect with them and to learn something more from them. So yeah, thank you, Sahil. Thank you for joining us. And yeah, it was a
Thanks for
great
inviting.
session. Yeah, yeah.
Thank you, Sahil.
Okay. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you.